Hello and welcome to this video about the observer pattern. So in this pattern you have one element and you have observers or subjects that are subscribed to this element. So when this element changes, it will send a notification to those observers and they will react a certain way. So the advantage you get with this pattern is that you can have different types of observers that react differently to notifications. And you can keep adding those different types of observers without adding to the complexity of your code. And we'll see how this works with an example. So a very simple example to this is a newsletter system, and this type of system sends notifications to all the users subscribed to it. But I will give an example for a stock trading dashboard where we will have the user's dashboard update when the stock price changes. And we will also have two different types of users that have their dashboards updated differently to make the concept clear. Let's take a look at this drawing now. This is the stock trading dashboard that the user will see. So in this dashboard, we have time on the x-axis and we have price on the y-axis, and we have two stocks. So this is the first one and this is the second stock. So these are the stocks that the user is interested in. So what we simply want to do is, for any change in the stocks, we want to have this dashboard update itself. So for if say this stock went up, we want to have this line update itself and go up. Say this stock went down, we want to have this line update itself and go down. And we will also have a special type of user, and for this user we will also display a forecast of how the stock is going to do next. So for this special type of user, we will update the line and also say this stock is expected to go up by probability X%, or it is expected to go down by probability Y%. How do we do this using a simple approach and a pattern approach?